Ah, do you know what? Pavers told me they were sending someone round to have a look at the garden. And listen, there's a lot to do at this time of the year. Hope you've got your gloves ready. Come on. Hello, I'm Derek Marks and welcome, bizarrely, to my garden here in North Yorkshire. Now, a couple of the team have seen pictures of my garden when it's in full bloom in summer, which is not right now, but they thought I might have one or two bits of advice to impart your way. So I don't know whether I'm going to be of any use to you or not, but listen, come for a tour around the garden and listen, I could really do with a hand because the only thing popping up right now are these beauties. Let's go and have a look around, see what we can do. Right, well listen, Monty tells me all the time, because I watch Gardener's World as well, I'm sure all of you do as well, that one of the most important things before you start digging and doing is actually to get everything clean. It's not the most exciting of jobs, but get the old washing up sponge out and just give the tools a good clean. Of course, also just as important to give your pots a good scrub because one, it makes them look better. It's good to get it out of the way now so you can look at your pots and say, oh yeah, I'm excited about planting new things now. That's brilliant. Now listen, I wouldn't panic too much if your garden looks a bit like mine at the moment. I have to say I'm a bit of a fair weather gardener, so I wait for the good weather and then I'll start. And remember, whenever I watch the gardening programs, they always say that the rule at this time of the year is to get rid of DDD, that's dead, dying and diseased. Oh, do you know what, that feels better. Got the old heart pumping as well. You notice actually I didn't go right down to the ground because here it's early spring and I'm in North Yorkshire, so there might still be one or two more frosts coming, but you can see that clearing away a lot of the dead stuff, at least the top stuff, one, it feels better and it lets any sun that we're getting in right now get in at those beautiful spring plants that are, see, one or two of them are popping up already. Now, we're all being told, aren't we, that we can do our little thing for the planet and the environment, and actually that counts in your garden as well. So one of my top tips is don't make it too perfect. Don't trim it to absolute perfection. Remember, you have to enjoy it, but we need to leave a little bit of space for wild flowers to grow and for insects. You want to attract new insects into your garden as well and give them a little bit of a safe haven. Well, I hope you've enjoyed a little look around. Remember, gardens come in all shapes and sizes, so don't stress out too much about it. Just enjoy it, add to it, and see what comes. And talking of which, can you come back later in the year? Because I've got lots more to show you, and this should look a lot more impressive by then. But listen, happy gardening, and I'll see you for more updates later in the year.